Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download Android Studio on Windows. Firstly, go to the official Android Studio download page and download the Windows version. Save the installer file to a folder on your computer. Open the folder where you downloaded it, and if prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. Follow the setup instructions by accepting the default installation settings, and once it is finished, just click Finish to finish it and complete the installation. Upon the first launch, you'll be prompted to select your preferred theme, light or dark. Choose the one you prefer, and Android Studio will then download and install necessary components for the app development. During installation, you may see user account control prompt for the Windows command processor. Just click Yes to proceed. Once everything is installed, you can start building Android apps using Android Studio. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.